everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. I hope you're having a wonderful week so far. Today is my Friday. It's Thursday afternoon. I wrapped up work and I wanted to post a couple of videos. I am looking forward to the weekend so that I can craft my heart out. I have different projects in mind that I would love to create, so I hope you stay tuned. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you my Urban Gems haul. So as you know, NurseTara04, I've been a follower of hers for a couple of years now when I first started watching YouTube videos, and I've always admired her work along with so many other crafty ladies on YouTube. NurseTara has a little store called Urban Gems, and this is her card. She's the owner and designer. You can reach her by email and you can connect with her on YouTube and IG, and that's her website. And here's the back of her card, and she's so sweet. I just love her videos. She has some really fun videos, so definitely go check her out. So I biked about over 8 miles to go pick up a Happy Mail. I knew that it was dropped off at my P.O. box. I wanted to show you how she decorated the envelope real quick. Really cute. Thank you, Tara. And then she wrapped it in this really pink, excuse me, ribbon. She shared this little Ray Dunn note, and she personalized a little envelope. How sweet. So I went on her website, and she has a variety of different collections, all for really good prices. And what called out to me was this Pink Paisley 5th and Monaco. This is a 6x8 paper pad, and it's so cute. I just love the colors. What drew me were the colors, the bold colors, as well as this palm frond. So cute. So I know summer's around the corner, so I decided that I wanted to start working on some summer projects. And what I have in mind to do with this one is to work on some, I haven't done tag flips in a while, and I wanted to work on making tag flips. Tag flips are my favorite to do. Also pocket letters as well. I want to get back onto pocket letters. And so I wanted to use this paper pad to use my metal dies. I have a lot of metal dies that I want to use, and so I do have a lot of tag dies. I just want to put all the tag dies that I have in my collection and cut all of this beautiful paper out. So I'm just going to do a quick flip of the different pieces of paper in this pad. So sweet. This is my favorite for sure. Ooh, I love this black stripe and the wood grain. Ooh, this is a pink with some gold foiling on it. Really pretty. Blue, not blues, greens and pink hues. Ooh, a little parakeet. And then I think it repeats. It repeats another time. So there's 2 sets of these papers. Also, this is a 40 piece that's included in the kit, and this is these are the contents. So pretty. So I can embellish my tags with these, as well as with this. These are some puffy stickers. So cute. Look at those butterflies and hearts. And I can make heart tags too, as well as these little stickers. I'm loving it. Love, love, love it. Oh, and there's some more in the back. Really cute little word sayings. And lastly, she sent me a embossed die cut sheet. It's like a thank you gift. This is from the Maggie Holmes Sunny Days, and I do have her collection. So thank you so much, Nurse Tara. So stay tuned, everyone. Here is her YouTube and IG if you want to connect with her. Thank you, Tara, and I will be back with the video share in a couple of days. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.